In today's video, I'm going to show you how to host your Base44 website in just a few seconds. If you finish building your project and you're ready to put it live, this is the fastest way to do it. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. Once your Base44 project is fully complete, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You should see a publish button there. This is the first step to getting your website online. Go ahead and click publish. After you click it, a confirmation box will appear. This is Base44 asking you to confirm that you really want to make your website public. When that box shows up, click publish again inside the pop-up. And that's it. Once you confirm, your website will instantly go live. There's no extra setup, no complicated hosting process, and no need to go through a long deployment workflow. Base44 handles the publishing for you, so your site is now available online. So just remember, finish your project, click publish in the top right, click publish again in the confirmation box, and your website is live instantly. If this video helped, please like the video and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.